understands what it takes to be the man. Having every single person say you can when you can. To give up everything you've ever known for a dream, and never stop the fight no matter how hard it seems. You sacrifice and bleed and you sweat and you cry, doing everything you can not to lay down and die. When you fall and you call out, there's no one to help, and you've got no other mind.
We have the fight is about to start. Fight. A left. A right. A punch directly to the head. Another one. Have you seen the speed of those punches? This fighter is on fire. A left. This guy has some serious skills. A right. Have you seen the speed of those punches? He's still standing on his feet. Even the referee is scared to stop this fight. A left. A punch directly to the head. A right. Have you seen the speed of those punches? Have you seen the speed of those punches? Now that he has a taste of blood, he's going for the main course. A left. Someone is now laying on the ice. The blood of a true champion. This is a sad moment for we have the fight is starting. Fight. I'm glad he was able to block this one. Look at those combinations. He's avoiding those punches really well. All right. Look at those combinations. Call the doctor. Unbelievable. Not many guys could take on such a punch. This guy has some serious skills. A left. A right. This guy has a solid chin. Call the doctor. And the uppercut. He's still standing on his feet. Have you seen the speed of those punches? I can't watch this anymore. This fighter is on fire. This fighter is on fire. I'm glad he was able to block this one. He is